So today in class we discussed the toolbar, how to edit it, how to access some panels, and so we're going to put that to practice for our activity. First thing we're going to do is edit the toolbar so that it has two columns if yours doesn't have it already. To do that, you're going to see that there's these two double arrows on the top of your toolbar. When you click on it, it should double up in columns. I just think that it's easier to navigate and see all your tools in this setting. Second thing we're going to do is access our All Tools drawer. That's the three dots on the bottom. If you click on it, you can kind of scroll through and see all the hidden tools that Illustrator has. Your job is to drag these four tools into your toolbar because they're not there yet. So let's find the smooth tool. We might have to scroll around to find it, but it is here, I promise. There we go, the smooth tool. Now to drag a tool into the toolbar, simply click on the icon and drag it and don't let go until you see this little dark gray box, then release with your mouse. You can only edit the toolbar if your tool drawer is open. Just keep that in mind. You're going to repeat the same for the rest of the icons we're going to need for today's activity. Once you have all of them, you can click this three dots again to close the drawer. Once you have all those tools, please close your screen halfway just to let me know you're done and you're ready to move on.